Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but no worries, it looks pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got basic options like websites and the tabs and cookies, cache and other site data. You can change the time range here and then tap on delete data if you're satisfied with the data you will remove. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options. And here you can remove also tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Again, you can change the time range, it's up to you, and tap on delete data. And basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.